Hi, this is Roger Balzer, Balzer Wealth Management. Welcome to our 2-Minute Tuesday for August 25th of 2015. Our title for this week is Volatile. This week it's very important to keep things in perspective. Investors fall victim to cognitive biases sometimes, but we can do our best to avoid that type of behavior. With the strong markets we've seen in 2012, 13, and 14, investors have been primed for recency bias. It's clouded their judgment. It's imperative to remember that even in good years the market pulls back. Since 1980, the S&P has averaged inter-year drops of more than 14%. Despite these drops, the S&P 500 has posted positive returns in 27 of the last 34 years. Let's go all the way back to 1928, and using daily closing prices for the S&P 500, the market has pulled back 10% 93 times over an 87-year time frame. In other words, on average, the market is pulled back by 10% once a year. The last known occurrence of this phenomenon was back in 2011 when the S&P 500 pulled back a little over 19% from April 29th to October 3rd. Markets pull back 5, 10, and even more in the midst of up years. So we have seen a 10% pullback in the last week. That doesn't necessarily signal anything ominous going forward. 10% pullbacks regularly occur during very healthy positive markets. However, this recent 10% plus pullbacks feels even worse. This is due to the lack of not having one in more than 4 years and the swiftness of the recent one. One thing is for sure, if you've been reading the newspaper or watching the business anchors, they're asking so-called experts to answer questions like, will the market close down only 100? Will the market close down 1,200? Will we see positive territory? These can wreak havoc on your emotions. Remember, the media always enjoys a good shellacking to generate more audience viewership and, of course, more advertising dollars. What's been in the back of my mind, and probably yours too, is, will this correction get worse? No one knows. But fortunately, we have the tools and indicators to keep you in control. Here at Balzer Wealth Management, we use a rules-based, emotionless system to manage money for you, our clients. In the long term, the S&P is still in an uptrend. We are staying with the current investments. Our short and intermediate term indicators are washed out, and we will wait for them to firm up and show positive signs. It's only then will we be adding to our portfolios. As I like to say, when the charts change, we change. If you have any questions on anything with the current markets, your portfolio, your 401k, or if you just like to talk, pick up the phone and give me a call at 440-934-3114. Remember, a correction is normal.